Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy.
Lesson number 4, consonant blends with magic E.
Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read.
Crate. K plus R equals cr. Cr. Repeat after me. Cr. 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 Cr.
A. T.
Crate. Crate. Repeat after me. Crate. Crate. Crate.
Now it's your turn. Now practice with me.
Cr.
A. T.
Crate.
Say it again. Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video.
Crate. Repeat after me. Crate. Crate. Crate.
Wow, well done. Now it's your turn.
Cr. A. T. Crate. Cr. A. T. Crate.
Can you read this sentence?
This is a wooden crate. Repeat after me. This is a wooden crate. This is a wooden crate. This is a wooden crate. Repeat after me. This is a wooden crate. This is a wooden crate.
Let's do it one more time.
Crate. This is a wooden crate. Repeat after me. This is a wooden crate. This is a wooden crate. Crate.
Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading. See you in the next lesson.
With Teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with Teacher Mick, reading really quick. Yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.